Hello everyone, here we are at Parkview Orthopedics, and here we have this York Stellar air conditioner that I found. It's not running. It's got 4 blades, which is cool for a small unit. It's got a Bristol reciprocating. It's got the York logo on all sides. Here's the data. Here's the date. That looks like it's from it's from 1992. It's just an open door. This is a 1992 York Stellar unit. It's got a Midwest disconnect box. Oh, it has been running. Yup, it has. It's got a GE fan motor. Can't wait for the startup of this unit. It's gonna sound like a reciprocating compressor. But anyways, I can't get the startup on video. So yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching. Over and out.